In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform a startup repair on Windows 11. This process is essential when you're facing issues with your system that prevent it from booting up properly. But don't worry, as long as Windows is still initializing, we can walk through these steps easily and get your PC back on track. Let's start by opening the Settings menu. To do this efficiently, simply press the Windows key on your keyboard, along with the I key. This shortcut is a quick way to access the settings without having to navigate through multiple menus. Once you're in the settings window, you'll see a list of options on the left-hand side. Go ahead and click on System. This is where you can manage all your core system settings, including display, sound, and notifications. Now look for the option labeled Recovery, which you'll find right below Sound in the list. Click on that and you'll be taken to the Recovery Settings page. This is the place where we can perform different recovery actions to help restore your system. On the Recovery page, you'll notice a section called Advanced Startup. Here there's a button that says Restart Now. By selecting this, you're choosing to reboot your computer with advanced startup options available. Don't worry about losing your work. Just make sure any unsaved documents are saved, as your computer will soon restart. As your computer begins to reboot, you'll be greeted with a blue screen with several options. What we want to do now is click on Troubleshoot. This option helps us to find and fix problems affecting the startup and operation of Windows 11. After clicking on Troubleshoot, you'll see Advanced Options. Go ahead and select it. This is a collection of more in-depth troubleshooting options designed for solving more technical or persistent issues. On the Advanced Options page, you'll now see an icon that says Startup Repair. Click on that. Startup Repair is a powerful tool that can fix many common issues preventing Windows 11 from booting up. It will attempt to diagnose issues on its own and repair them automatically, saving you time and hassle. Before the Startup Repair tool can begin its process, you might be prompted to choose your Windows account. If so, select your user account and enter your password when asked. This is an important security measure, ensuring only authorized users can make changes to the system settings. Once you've selected your account and entered your password, Windows will start scanning for any issues that are impacting your machine's startup process. It might take a few minutes, so please be patient as it works to automatically find and correct any problems. In just a short while, Windows will complete its scan and attempt to apply any necessary repairs to improve your computer's performance when booting. And that's essentially it. Your computer should now start more smoothly, thanks to this repair process. Remember, these tools are here to help you maintain optimal system performance, so don't hesitate to use them whenever you encounter issues. Stay tuned for more helpful tech tips, and make sure to subscribe for future updates.